What we're going to do is I'm going to go through 15 English words, and once you see it on screen, I want you to pause, guess yourself using this rule, and then we'll have the reveal, okay? For example, for this one, action. So now you pause, and then you see that it's acción, okay? So, next one being attention, atención, direction, dirección, solution, solución, function, función, position, posición, tradition, tradición, operation, operación, decoration, decoración, presentation, presentación, generation, generación. G's are pronounced like a ch sometimes. Concentration, concentración, investigation, investigación, contemplation, contemplación, imagination, imaginación. And if you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods, and you'll find it in the first link in the description.